Well, I'm back real quick. So, just wanted to, I guess, a tutelage on wire ties. You know how you snip them and then they're just too sharp and they scratch you all together? Well, Audrey's grandson-in-law showed me how to make them so they're smooth. So you can just twist them off like that, but I usually just cut them a little bit up so they're all not in the way. Leave myself a little tab. Put the dikes on there. Squeeze them and turn them. Now, it takes a little while to break them off and stuff. You know, I just don't pull on them, but I give them a little yank once in a while. They tighten them up more, but when you turn them like that, it's nowhere near as sharp. That one I left off a little bit high, but just take and grab them as close as you can. Squeeze them. Twist them off. The closer you get, the lower it'll be. But, you know, if you go by this compared to this, you know, you're not gonna, it's worth the time. I've been doing it on this trailer here. I wasn't when he told me about it, because I'm like, oh, that's just a waste of time. And then you do a couple of them, just snip them off, and you're like, hey, what the hell, you know? So, but yeah, just take and squeeze them and get them as close as you can. I think out of 25, 40 of them, somewhere in there, I don't keep count, but I had one that I twisted and it broke off. So, you know, as far as going, you know, twisting them wrong or anything like that, I haven't found a way. Twisting too far away, you get a little stubble sticking out there. Up close, they're not too bad. There you go. And like I said, it's worth the time. If you got a lot of them, you know, I mean, you wouldn't do that with one that you just cut off. You know, even this one in the corner is nice. It's worth it. Like I said, just twist them off. You know, I'll try to do this one-handed. But I love these things are, these pliers here are kind of rusted a little bit and they don't spread out, but they're great for twisting these things because once I grip them, they stay gripped, you know. So I use these to do that. And I gotta pull them apart every time, but still. That one seemed to be a little rougher there. That was my first one. You know why, right? It's because I'm making a video. It's not bad, though. It's still better than just snipping it. But, yeah, so don't scratch yourself anymore or mark yourself up by just cutting them. If they're going to be in the way, you think, I would twist them off instead of just cutting them with, you know. But, like I said, it's worth the time. Like I said, I cut them up high. That way I can get the pliers on there and twist them off. Yeah. So, all right. Enjoy. Hope that helps you out. And we'll make another video here probably next week. Thank you.